Today we're doing a special Chinese herbal medicine drink. We're going to use 2 of these big bottles of dried gin. So there's lots of purported health benefits. So be sure to check with your local Chinese medicine practitioner or your local Chinese herbal store. So we're going to make this fantastic drink that my grandfather used to make. So let's get started. Going to this Chinese herbal shop to do some shopping for Chinese herbs and ingredients. So here you can have the varieties of ingredients that you need. You have some yuan, what am I? Yuan, 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 okay, something yuan in English. You have the Chinese red dates, and over here you have the southern almond. Here we have different varieties of herbal ingredients that you can use in your recipes. So just write the name of the ingredient in English if you don't know how to say it in Chinese, and take it to one of these stores and they'll find the items for you. My grandfather used to make this, and sometimes he put different kind of meats in there. One time they found a beaver for him. So after a few months it was sealed, and then after a few months my grandfather took out the beaver and he had a nice herbal drink. Okay. So to make this drink is very simple. Gather all your ingredients together, and we're just going to put the ingredients into the jar here. So this is a big jar that we have. It's going to hold both bottles of the gin. So some of these ones are fairly common. These are goji berries. Goji berry is supposed to be good for vision. This red date, fairly common. It's used to make soup. And these are longanberries. These are sweet. And make sure you check with your Chinese medicine practitioner. I really emphasize that because some people may be allergic to different ingredients. So these are very common. It's used to make soup and different things in Chinese cooking. But you should check, you must check, make sure you're not allergic to any of these ingredients or any side effects. So what this does is actually helps the flavor of the gin. So the sweet berries actually make this gin sweet, so it's a unique taste. So I like to drink this gin chilled. I drink it neat. In other words, I don't add water or any other kind of drink to it. It's just straight up with some ice. You can drink it warm. You can also serve it in soup, Chinese soup, or you can just you can mix it with other liquids, but generally I just like to drink it straight up. So this is a fairly famous brand. It's a London Dry Gin. So we usually try to stay with this brand. Just a tradition that we have. You can use other kind of liquor. You can use scotch or rum, or I've even got a bottle going of this mixture using cognac. So that will be ready soon. Just gonna put the lid back on, and then we just use tape so it doesn't evaporate. We're just gonna tape it on the side here. I use this masking tape. You can use any kind of tape. So this prevents the liquid from evaporating. So just go like this around the edge here. Go a couple times, and then just put the date. Take another piece of tape and put the date on, so that you know when you bottled it. And then we'll know how long you stored the gin. So usually good to store it for at least 6 months. So this is what the gin looks like after 10 months. It turns from a clear color to a nice amber color. so the color changes to this dark amber color. And we just put the Chinese herbal drink into the original bottles, and then I have 2 more of these bottles of gin. So this is the large size 1.75 liter bottles. So we start the whole process again, and then we'll have a nice steady supply of Chinese herbal drink. We're just going to pour the Chinese herbal drink into the individual bottles, the original bottles that we use for the gin. I like to have my drink with ice, so it's called neat. So just pour your drink into the glass here. I'd like to wish everyone all the best for your health. Ooh, that's nice. You got that real nice sweet flavor from the red dates. It's got a unique flavor, so you gotta try this.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.
Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.
If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.